Testing. There we go. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Here, let me get your setup there. Dang it. I was a little hesitant there because I had just pulled the chart up. We've traded this one in the past with success. That's exactly what we'd be looking for. Previous resistance here, pop up through the $0.50. See if it wants to continue here. The only thing I didn't like is I saw VWAP was climbing pretty quickly with it. Plus it never really got alerted either. It was up top there, but it never actually got the full alert. Try it now, Tom. It should work. See if we can't get a pop up here through like 23.75.
Got him!
That's how my morning feels, I'm not gonna lie. You would try to get my attention with these nuts. So yeah, a lot going on. If you guys, the 5 of you that are here, there won't be a Friday night live stream. I'm going to make a video just letting everybody know about that, with hopefully some sort of trade. See if that happens. What's the high here? 69. Let's see if we can get that pop through high a day. Maybe get up towards 85. Yeah, it like loaded for a split second for me, and then it like crapped out. I don't know why, but it did. Just want to make sure I got the right order in here. See if it wants to pop through high a day and hit us. Oops, getting rejected there. Sons of a biatch. Oh, man. Crappers. This stock is teasing us today, AMRN. It's twice now. Excuse me. Really not much volume there. This thing is just crazy. I think it's a moneymaker, though. I was wondering if the market would get affected by like all the China crap going on. And you can do it. Off my game this morning. Chewy? What's that? I had this up on my other chart. I was hoping it would go high a day here at 43.50, which, I mean, it did by testing. Well, it didn't even get there, 43.49. I was hoping it would bust through and go up towards 44. Would have been interested. What a shit show this morning. Put a few orders out there. Nothing really got to where we felt comfortable getting in. Just a blah open so far for us. Plus sitting down trying to figure out the whole live stream crap that was going on. I don't know what that was all about. I'm afraid to even see if I can log in normally. Guess I can try. Let's see. It's still not even letting me log in. It says I'm logged in, but when I click on the top right icon, it doesn't. That drop down menu just gives me the circle of death. I don't know. This ATNX, man, was up to 22 in the pre-market, down to 1350. All right, watching the CIEN here, see if we can get a push. I want to see it at least up towards 80. Just getting absolutely rejected right away. It's not our trade, not our trade. I feel a lot of FOMO right now, like a lot of FOMO, just a ton. It's like pulsing through my veins right now. I can just feel it. Trying to fight it. Trying to fight it. And this is really the only thing even close to doing what we wanted, but we need to see a nice move here. Actually move this. The way this is trading, I feel like it's not going to really have that big push, not like it did earlier. I'm not going to FOMO in. You guys know me by now. I can, like I said, I can feel it there, but it's not going to cause me to actually do it. Everyone should know by now that I will just not trade knowing that I'm feeling FOMO before I actually FOMO into something. What's up, Ponzi? Yeah, I kind of sort of missed it myself. I mean, I was here, but I was dealing with some technical issues. Come on, CN, make a nice little pop here. I feel like Chewy is a higher price stock, huh? Oh, no. It's not popping up on the scanner. Wonder if it's something that doesn't normally trade a lot of volume. Wonder what the deal is there. Looks like it trades decent volume. Let's move CN here. I can't because of the. That's fine. It's kind of grinding up though. Like, take a look at the big pushes it's making, and then look at VWAP. It's kind of just grinding its way up, and the range on it isn't spectacular. At least here on CIEN, I can most likely get like a good 50 cents, where there I'm looking to only get like 20 cents or so. Here we go. See if we can get that push up there towards 44. It's kind of grindy though. And it's probably a 44 magnet at this point. What should we buy right now? That's kind of up to you. I don't really buy things. I kind of short things, so it's a little different. I'm never going to tell you guys what to buy. I'm just going to show you guys what I'm doing. That would be very illegal. I was kind of hoping to get one trade in here before I got to go. Feel like I just missed it. I wanted to hit 92 there. Just looking for a quick pullback before it tries 44. We'll see though. Usually when it gets this close, it's kind of a magnet, so we'll see. We're going to start this 92. I took half size. Just feel like we're going to get a little bit of a pullback here before we try before we try 44. Just went the half size there just to kind of guard myself, just in case it did want to go straight through. This thing is kind of grindy. Don't even really need to worry about the spread too much here. So I don't really need to worry about placing orders too much. It is about 4 or 5 cents though at its worst, which isn't that great, but this thing's just kind of chilling here. ENPH, let's see. Yeah, same kind of deal as Chewy though. Like the idea is there. I actually saw ENPH up on the scanner. Oh crap. Look at me not paying attention. I was going to put an order at 75. See if we can get a little bit more. Under 80. Or 76 is where I was going to put it. We'll stick it out there just in case it wants to hit it real quick. Since it's just a starter, not trying to be greedy with it. Like I said, we were just looking for a little bit of a pullback before it tests 44 because it does feel like it is eventually going to do that. We're just looking for the quick pullback before it does. If we can get down to the 70s, we're most likely going to get a little bit of a drop. 77, 78, 79, 77 still on the bid. Crap. Give it one more try here. We're not going to let this go red on us, obviously, at this point. And considering we actually have a good entry here, we'll try to be patient with it. Maybe we can get down there back towards 50. Definitely not going to let it go against us, though. And I don't like how it's just kind of bouncing there. I'm probably wrong there, but I don't know. I'm just not feeling that. I'm just going to jump out. Yes, it is the CMEG platform. That was kind of a bad exit. I don't know what the heck I was thinking. I'm having such a bad morning. And it's not even because the price is going back down. It just makes no sense. What I meant by going back against this was not letting it go through 44. Just, I don't know. That was a pretty bad exit there, to be completely honest. All right, Mr. Gifford. Yeah, China's having it. Yeah. I thought they were having it at the market open. That was kind of what I heard. But I'm going to be getting out of here, too. I think there's just a lot going through my head right now. Come here. What's wrong? What do you want? think I top ticked that candle, didn't I? 80. How did I get 88 on this candle and it says the high is 87? uh. I'm going to be pretty mad at myself probably looking back at this trade later. You going to slide? Whee! Get your other foot out. Just be careful. Rags is watching you like a hawk with that little piece of donut you got. Yeah, this looks like it's going to drop. Kind of what the chart's telling us. This was the one we missed. We should have been in this one at 43.45. We got a nice drop all the way down to 42.73 there. Obviously, we wouldn't have been in it all the way down there, but probably would have been out 40, like low 43s. Yeah. You guys trade anything good? I don't even know what to think this morning. I'm kind of mad at YouTube for being weird. It's like still messed up. Like I try to get to my studio and it doesn't, it just signs me out. Too bad, bud. You shouldn't have dropped it. It's all gone. I told you not to drop it. The doggies are going to get it. I can't do anything about it now. Yeah, just say thank you. Or you're welcome, I should say. Yeah, there's the drop. That's frustrating. I mean, I should have... If any of you are watching, the proper way to trade this, if you're not being all flustered with your emotions this morning, is you should have had a stop at high day, right? The whole point here was it was pulling back, and if it wanted to go through 44, it was obviously most likely going to continue. So that's where the stop should have been. It should not have been at first thought that it's going to go back up. And I was in at 92, and I didn't want to let it go back through 90 because I didn't want to have a red trade. That was all it was. That was literally my emotion. I was scared of a red trade, and it didn't even go through 90. I hit it before that. It got back to 87, 89, 84, and that was it. So it's just bad trading on my part. A lot going on this morning, and I just got flustered. So Don't pay attention to me. JDST, this would be nice. Not really extended through that previous high here. Range isn't that great. We don't have shares anyway, but these are all the, I'm assuming these are acting off of the SPY. What's the SPY doing right now? Yeah. I guess the news was good. What's the one that goes with the SPY? I know it's, I know Diamond does. Is it QQQ? I did not mean to go back to that. I know like TVIX will be going the other way. VIX is going the other way. Is it VIXC? No. I can't think of the one that goes the opposite or goes with the SPY but it's lower price. Yeah, Tyrell, it's kind of an interesting day. It's either there's really nothing kind of doing what I wanted to do. I'll just put it that way. SPY is going. It's clearly some good news. And gas and oil, all these things are going nuts. Whoops. I hit that at the wrong time, huh? I felt like it was kind of top in there. Like we were going to get a little bit of a rejection off of yesterday's high. Should have looked at the daily. Actually not too bad. Just looking, got a nice extension away here. We're just looking for a move back down there towards 25. And get that move through 50. Tim, like I said to myself, don't trade the market you want, but trade the market you're in. Yeah, no, it's true. I understand. Trust me. I more so meant I'm kind of flustering myself today more than anything. Put an order out there down at 15, see if it wants to get down there real quick. Looks like we might get that 50 pop. Dang it. I was going to add half of that 100 share ad up there at 48 if it gave it to me. And then put the other 50 on the other side of 50 just to get some shares in case it wanted to reject 50. Now I kind of feel like I'm in an awkward spot here. I am in an awkward spot now because now it's kind of just consolidating here. Looking to get a CMA, get around the PDT rule. How my experience has been fine with them. They operate just good, just well. Just I should not be putting the just in front of that. $25.20 kind of looks like it might be something that we're not too pleased about. Gonna see if we can just kind of get out of this at this point. Or maybe we'll look to take half around that area. Let's 22.22. We'll do 75. No. We're just gonna take the whole thing if it gives it to us. Not a huge fan of how this is trading. Plus, I got to get ready to get out of here, unfortunately. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. And there we go. All right, so we're out. Might get a little bit bigger of a drop, but it did form a little bit of a stoppage there around that 20-cent area, so I was kind of figuring it might get a quick drop to there as a pullback and then look to continue. So that was the idea behind that trade. A little mad I didn't act quicker on my thought process of getting the at least half position add there and get the other half if it wanted to go through 50. But I'm not going to be too upset about it. As you can see, it is bouncing right where we thought. I just wanted to get in before 20 there, just because I figured maybe that would be acting as like a quick bounce area. But it did go through it for a second at 17. But as you can see, it is bouncing right off of it. So had the right idea. Tyrell, to answer your question, yeah, CMEG's fine. I was just trying to concentrate on my trade. I've had absolutely no problems with them. I did have one problem, but that was a half-day issue. And it was just something on their end. It was a issue, something that they had thought was going to happen, didn't happen because of the half day and the trading hours and all that good stuff. So there was a little mix up there. But other than that, everything's been great. I haven't had any issues with them. So real quick, just to show you guys, really not too much going on this morning. Made $10. Quota's 50. So making about 20% of our quota. Both of our trades were kind of meh trades, but hey, it's a green day, right? I'm not going to be totally upset about it. I'm going to actually keep watching ENPH here if it wants to go high a day because we are still really extended. But as you could tell, the way it was just trading up here in the 40s, it didn't really seem like it wanted to come back down. So the fact that we did get the pullback, we're not going to get greedy and look for the full move down because it clearly wasn't ready for it. I was actually just talking to Constantine about this morning. You start to just kind of feel those things as they're happening in real time. And if it wants to go high a day and through 50 and extend itself more, we might try to get back in while the speech therapist is here. But for now, I'm going to let you guys go. There's not going to be a Friday night live stream tonight. I'm sorry about that, guys. My wife has her annual Christmas party. I am going to put out some sort of video, though, before we get out of here for the night to go to the Christmas party. And so I'm not sure what it's going to be yet, but it'll be something. And it'll also be letting everyone that doesn't come to the stream here in the morning know that I won't be here tonight. So have a great weekend, and I will see you guys Monday morning. I appreciate all your support. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're getting close to that 1,000 sub marker. We're actually at 937. It didn't update here on Streamlabs because I was dealing with all the other issues. And I'll see you later. Peace.